just come in and drop off somebody already leave. Pay almost $20 for the food.
Từ đầu tôi chọn một bộ vậy.
Being a actor, director and writer, I'm basically an alcoholic as well. So your recommendations on the pubs in England, I can happily give them to you. Now, we're going to be here for the change of the guard. The change of the guard ceremony is an official handover from the guard inside Buckingham Palace to the relief guard, which is stationed down at the barracks down there. Now he died just off the coast of Trafalgar on the 22nd of October 1805.
And white international signs. Life buoys and life rafts are found at the back of the boat, and emergency exits downstairs are the windows and doors they slide to open. For those of you on the top deck who might be wondering where their emergency exits are, well, just use your own imagination and that's either side you like. Down. Those support columns were left in place, fear of it disturbing the foundations of the other two bridges. Ladies and gentlemen, we are halfway now to Tower Bridge. How's it going so far? Can everyone understand me okay on the front deck? Everyone okay yet? Perfect. I do understand we've got quite a few people on board from around the world. I'm afraid I do only speak one language, and that is English. But I do try and speak very slowly and clearly, and hopefully that does help. Viewing platform, it's over £40 an adult. Now personally, I would recommend you going on the other side of the river. If you look on our left, the building it gets larger as it goes up. Look to the top of the building, you can actually see people standing up there. And that is also a viewing platform. It's called the Sky Garden, and it is completely free to go up there. If you'd like to go up there, all you have to do is book online a few days in advance. If they're not that busy, you can just turn up on the day. They have a bar and restaurant at the top and all sorts, so it's well worth a visit. Total, the Belfast has 12 guns, 6 aft and 6 up forward. Each one of those guns are capable of firing a 102 pound shell, 14 land miles. The Tower of London has been a lot of different things in its time, but most famously known for its imprisonment, torture and execution. Along the river's wall there is a bricked up archway, and right above it is entry to the Traitors' Gate. If you was a traitor to the crown, you'd have been rowed down river from Westminster by barge without a live commentary through the open archway before being beheaded up on Tower Hill.